Hello and welcome to Liverpool Volkswagen Van Centre. I'm here today to talk about this Volkswagen Caravelle. This is the Executive 199 PS DSG, and as you can see it is finished in the stunning Indium Grey metallic paint. Just take a look around the vehicle, you can see straight away you do have your front parking sensors which are dotted along the front bumper of the vehicle, and you do have your full LED headlights with the daytime running function. Come around to the side, you can see you do have these silver alloy wheels. If we take a step back, you can see this vehicle does come with the twin sliding electric doors. Very easy to open, just give the handle a pull and it will open up very nicely for you just there. Lovely carpet finish on the interior throughout the vehicle. Two-tone seats with the grey and black seats just there, and the fold-away table of course just there as well. Lights and vents throughout the whole vehicle. As you can see, you do also have some cup holders and charging ports either side just there as well. Again, to close the door you can use the buttons inside the cockpit, which I'll show you later on. Buttons on the key fob, or just pull the handle and it will close it very easy for you just there again. Coming around to the back of the vehicle, you can see this vehicle does come with the rear parking sensors with park assist, as well as the rear reversing camera, as well as the solid tailgate and the glazed heated window. This vehicle does also come with the electric tailgate, which you can see demonstrating just now. Again, as you can see the rails on the floor, you can move forwards this rear 3-seat bench to get more loading area in the back, and as you can see this vehicle has been kept in immaculate condition with the protection still over the chrome inserts. Button just there to close the tailgate, as you can see. As we're entering through to the driver's cockpit, you can see you do have the, again, stunning carpet finish in the interior. Single driver and passenger seats with armrests, as you can see, following on in the same colourway as the rest of the vehicle. Lovely amount of storage space in this vehicle. You do have your standard glove box, 2 on top again, and another 2 on top of the whole dashboard just there. Looking into some of the vehicle's features, you can see this vehicle does come with the start-stop technology, which you can turn on or off depending on your personal preference. You do also have your park sensors activation button just here as well as the park assist feature, which will enable the vehicle to park itself, as I mentioned earlier. You do have your, again, as I mentioned before, the buttons to open and close your electric sliding doors. Just give them a press and it will open up very nicely. You do also have your front heated windscreen, which you can see just there, perfect for them cold, frosty winter mornings. You do have the 3-zone climate control features, so you can have different climates at either side of the cabin. Heated seats also, as you can see just there. The 7-speed DSG gearbox, and your entertainment system. You can see you do have the full DAB, FM and AM radio functions on this vehicle. Your media, which is your 2 USB ports just down here, as well as your Bluetooth connectivity, which is located under the menu just there. As you can see, you do also have the navigation on this vehicle. As you can see, very touch sensitive, very easy to navigate and use. You can see we are based in Speak in Liverpool, not too far from Liverpool Airport, which is located just there. This vehicle does also come with the 3-spoke design, flat bottom leather multifunction steering wheel with the cruise control features on the left hand side, and as you can see you do have the adaptive cruise control on this vehicle, as well as your media and head-up display controls on the right hand side. You do also have your full digital cockpit on this vehicle, which is enabled when the vehicle is on. You also have your automatic headlights and automatic wipers, as well as heated and powerful mirrors just there as well. So if you do require any more information regarding this vehicle and or you are looking to make an inquiry, please do not hesitate to give us a call on 0151 515 2911 and offer sales, and I'm sure I'll be happy to help. Thank you.